Hi, Immaculate. Thank you for the wonderful question. And you asked, you wanted to learn to lead with value, and how do you know that you're leading with value? This is such a wonderful question because in a society where we just think of taking, it's nice to have a different perspective where you're thinking about giving. So, leading with value just means you have to know what the other party needs and give them more of it. Give them what you need, and naturally they'll want to reciprocate. And we have a law of reciprocation, reciprocity, which states that when you do something nice for someone, they'll naturally have a deep desire to do something nice for you. Isn't that wonderful? And it falls along with the law of sowing and reaping, which allows us to receive as a result of something we do. So as you give value, naturally the other person will want to give value. I'll give you an example of I had this story long time ago. I hope it's accurate as I share it, but there was a gentleman who was a salesman, and he wanted to supply some goods to a company, but he needed to speak to the CEO, and it was impossible to get to the CEO. The gatekeepers alone to get onto his calendar, it was so hard. Then he heard from the grapevine that this CEO has a grandson, and he collects coins for the grandson. So what this salesman did, he got some coins, found some, wonderful collectible coins, mailed them to the office, and obviously everybody around him knows he collects coins. So they gave the CEO this envelope. When he saw the coins, he picked so much. He was so happy because that's something that touches him. That's something for his grandson. So he started inquiring, who is this gentleman who sent me this wonderful gift? And all of a sudden, the CEO just picked up the phone, called the salesman, and they sat for like an hour just talking about coins and the grandson, because that's all the CEO was interested in. He really didn't care what you're trying to sell. And of course, after listening to him for 1 hour, the CEO asked, by the way, what was this? What did you want to tell me in this meeting? And that's how the guy got the contract. So that is just an example of how things work. You have to know what the other party needs. Give them, serve them the best way you can, and naturally the desire will be there. Then also you asked, how would you know that you're leading with value? When you lead with value, there will always be a response, a positive response towards what you want, because it's our natural desire to reciprocate when someone does something nice to you. Sometimes I give myself as an example. In a day, I can get around 100 plus emails among my personal inbox, Facebook, and all these social media. And we knowing that time is very, very valuable, I can't go through everything. But there are some people whose emails are always open, whose Facebook messages are always open, because they provide value. When they send you a message, it's well thought out, and they are giving you value. They show interest in what you do, so you give them attention. Actually, this reminds me, there's a nice book about time management by Brian Tracy. Yeah, the title is called Time Management. You can check that out. Because of the value of time, we usually value others who value our time. Well, I hope this helps. This is Mother Ego again with lifethenfinance.com. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.